All right, pilots, arm your quads. Let's go live on the tone in less than 5. We're underway. We apologize. There we go. There's those overlays. Adrian is not only the smartest man I know, the guy who's running our live stream, he was also able to pull the impossible. We just cycled the program, built heats, did the stuff on the fly. Shannon and Scully just sweated a bucket each, and he's already fixed our mistakes on the live stream so everyone at home can follow along. And here we go, guys. This is a consolation bracket. We're trying to stay alive. Mr. Donuts, your leader, then Hyper FPV engineer, and are you ready? Madere, your reigning champion of 5th and ADMA 20. Fat Kid, and then here goes Sonny. Everyone on lap number 2. We start with 8, we still have 8, and this is going to be a throwdown showdown as we inch closer to that final 8. We go winners bracket and losers bracket, top 4 of each, so you can come out of this consolation bracket into our final 8. Anything can happen, and we are watching a huge battle. Here comes Mr. Donuts, and well, he's running second in traffic as Hyper FPV passed him again. Remember that pass that we had Hyper just ahead of Mr. Donuts by 0.03 of a second? We played it back and the DVR was messed up by 2 frames of PAL. They're doing it all over again on lap number 2 as they're 1 and 2 on to lap number 3, and now we're going to bring out a checkered flag here in just a little bit. It sounds like we've only lost 1, so we're going to get 7 to finish this one. Running order top to bottom, get ready to see if they follow that at the gate. Here comes Hyper with the win. Then we go across with Mr. Donuts. A nice smooth number 2 spot to move up. Engineer is going to have a life as well, and it'll be Madere ahead of ADMA 20 to stay alive in the number 4 spot. And now we're inside of our top 15. 5th is ADMA 20. Fat Kid in the number 6 spot. Are you ready in the number 7 spot? Sonny FPV in the number 8. Your top 4 once again in